Good evening. This is the one and only Marcel Hall, Foodies and Statements. This is Amtrak, train number 14, the Cold Starlight. This train is going to Seattle. This train is 2 hours late behind schedule right now. ALC 42 Charger on there. As he coming down on the coast sub right now, the little coast. Once again, Amtrak, Cold Starlight. 324 leaded on the point. And 321, 350 on the Cold Starlight tonight. Look at those sleeper cars. They look nice up in there. Alright, y'all on YouTube, have a safe trip on the Cold Starlight. Y'all 2 hours behind schedule. And the coaches. 3 coaches in the back. Alright folks, there go that train out to Seattle. That's the third night in a row that Coast Starlight 14 is always either an hour or 2 hours behind schedule. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Have a good night on this Wednesday evening. And I hope these passengers get to their destination on time. Bye-bye.